Hi guys, so I significantly improved my ROG Ally over the weekend by installing a couple of things. First is Playnite. It is a fantastic front end for your PC gaming handhelds. As you can see here, every game that I have is organized into this beautiful UI. I also have them separated into categories like the Switch, PC games, and I'll be planning to add more emulators down the road. I'm using a Nikki remake. I followed the tutorial of Joey's Retro Handhelds. I even have cool stuff like how many hours I spent playing, achievements. But by far, my most favorite part of Playnite is the fact that you can turn off, you can suspend, you can hibernate directly from the app. And you don't even have to link any accounts of Steam. You can manually add each game that you have from wherever source that they may come from. This just made my ROG Ally more used. Playnite essentially makes your PC handhelds have a console vibe without installing SteamOS. Believe me, I tried to install Bazai. It was such a pain in the ass to shrink the volume, to do dual booting, but I figured I'll just install a front end, and this works pretty well. I've been enjoying it over the weekend, like I said, and whenever I turn on my ROG Ally, it directly boots into Playnite. So I don't even have to see the desktop mode. Let's try a game. Let's try GTA. Honestly, I'm sick and tired of tinkering. I'm sick and tired of having choice paralysis. Having everything consolidated into one sort of program is honestly convenient as hell. Fun. That's what it's all about. You just wanted to have fun with your small amount of free time. So anything that makes it easy, I'm in. I'm jumping in. Playing GTA. Also, you can still access your Armory crate and stuff. No worries. And if I exit, it will immediately boot me back into Playnite. Yeah. And then it will show you session ended, how many minutes you played, like stuff like that. I love it, and I have trailers installed. It's so nice. It makes it feel premium. I don't know what. I have all my Nintendo Switch games here. Perfect. Also, how I made my ROG Ally better over the weekend is by installing Hall Effect thumbsticks, Hall Effect thumbstick modules for the right and the left. My right thumbstick was drifting, and I figured that I had to fix it. Fortunately, it was so easy and cheap. It was like $13 for each module, and after calibration, it works perfectly fine. It doesn't drift anymore. Obviously, it's Hall Effect. And while I was installing the modules, I was also checking, so this is also an update. The battery is still good. Doesn't look like there's no signs of any swelling. Knock on wood. I say that because it's been how many months already since I upgraded to the 74 watt-hour battery that I bought. So far, so good. I am still getting, 3.5 hours playing games at 20 watts, 25 watts. It depends. The Z1 Extreme that I bought for less than $300 with the upgraded battery and with Playnite. You know what? I don't even care about OLED anymore. This is still the perfect device for price to performance and just pure fun. It just looks like a white Nintendo Switch. Funny story, I went to Supercuts this like 2 weeks ago, and I brought this ROG Ally. I know that's kind of weird behavior, but my barber said that this just looks like a beefy Nintendo Switch, and I found that funny. Also, I'd like to tell you guys that I binded my power button here with the Hibernate. I'm using Hibernate. I know. Hibernate kind of wears your SSD faster, but I've read online and I know the risk. If you hibernate 5 times a day, you can get away with it for like 5 years. I'm willing to take the chance on Hibernate. Hibernate is not that bad, honestly. It just takes a few more seconds. It's not instantaneously. You're not gonna go back into the game that fast. And there are chances that the game would freeze or stuff like that. But I'd say that's like an 80-20. 80% 20% split. So most of the time it works perfectly even. Actually, let me just show you. Let's play. Let's play Balatro. Okay, I'm gonna put it on hibernate. Wait for it. I'm still gushing over how much I love this device. And I don't regret it, honestly. Most of these newer handhelds are like $1,000 above. That's too much money, you know, for integrated graphics. Yeah, hibernate works fine as long as you don't overdo it, okay? Because it wears your SSDs. So do what you want with that information at your own risk. Yeah, so this is just like a quick little update about the small little things that I changed with my ROG Ally that made it feel, what's the term? Complete, I guess. Why did it take me 10 business days to think of that word? Anywho, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please leave some comments on more video ideas that I can do. I'm really running out of creative juice, honestly. That's why I haven't been posting for the past 2 weeks, because I've been playing a lot. And I just don't have any ideas anymore. So please, leave some comments down below telling me what to do, okay? I'm just lost. Alright, thank you, and goodbye. I made this channel cause I was just a little bored. Please subscribe, there's a whole world that we can all explore. We're all born minds to think alive. We're all born minds to think alive.